Inside the Niger Delta.
Still on Bayelsa politics, Governor-elect David Lyon has promised to make service his watchword as the next occupant of Creek Haven. The Southern Ijaw-born politician made the pledge at a press briefing in his country home after the declaration of the governorship election results by the Independent National Electoral Commission, INEC.
Governor-elect David Lyon at the press briefing expressed gratitude to Bayelsans for the trust and confidence reposed in him as the next governor of Bayelsa State. Mr. Lyon, who was flanked by Minister of State for Petroleum Timmy Silva and other leaders of the APC, promised to ensure effective and efficient service delivery in governance.
This victory for APC is a victory for the people of Bayelsans. We remain loyal, respectful to serve Bayelsans. And we believe Bayelsa has gone through a lot of issues. We are here with the help of stakeholders, all Bayelsans, to amend and correct those mistakes.
I have a lot of confidence in the governor that we have. He's already done enough for the people of Bayelsa as a private citizen. And as governor, I believe that he will really do well for Bayelsa.
In confirmation of his election, the Independent National Electoral Commission, INEC, last week issued David Lyon a certificate of return as the duly elected governor in the November 16 governorship election. The governor-elect in Bayelsa State, who appears humbled by the victory, advises Bayelsans to sink their political differences and collectively move their state to greater heights.
This is the time for us to come together. We have missed a lot. So let us come together to develop this, our great state.
As a demonstration of his desire to run an all-inclusive government, David Lyon has since extended an olive branch to his political opponents. Inside the Niger Delta.